Good evening, everyone. This is January 2019 of IGCSE Physics, paper 2P. In this session, I'll discuss question 3 and 4. So the first one, the diagram shows part of a roller coaster ride. The car is pulled towards point A and then released. Choose letters from the diagram to complete this sentence. The car experienced the greatest downward acceleration at, so which point it will have the highest or the greatest downward acceleration as it is coming down. So this point B, it will experience the highest deceleration. And at which point the most kinetic energy, so most kinetic energy, because the potential energy transformed into kinetic energy, maximum amount, to point C. So this was B, the greatest downward acceleration at B, and it has the most kinetic energy at point C. The maximum gravitational potential energy 380 kilojoule. The maximum height is 45 meter. The mass of, calculate the mass of the car. So 380 kilo, so it should be 380 into 10 to the power 3. Mass we don't know, that's unknown. Gravity will take as 10 and the height is 45 meter. So this will be divided. So the mass after substitution, 380 exponent 3 divided by 450, which will come out as 840 kilogram. A copper cube has a mass of 0.0717 kilogram. Calculate the weight of this copper cube. So how we can calculate the weight? We have the formula W is equals to mass. Weight is mass into gravity. So 0.0717 multiplied by 10. So it will be 0.717 and the unit is Newton. The equation which relate density mass. So density is equals to mass over volume. The density is given, calculate the volume of this cube. So we have the density as well, and the beginning the mass is given. So we need the volume. So volume is equals to mass divided by density. So mass of the cube, that is 0.0717, and the density is 8,960 kilogram. This will give us the volume in meter cube, which will be 8 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter cube. The graph shows the mass of some material when their volume is 1 meter cube. State the type of graph. So this is a bar chart or a bar graph. Use information, compare the density of granite with steel. So when we compare the density of steel and granite, so steel is having high density, and when we compare like times, so it is approximately, the steel density is approximately 3 times the granite density. So density of steel is higher. And it is approximately 3 times. So this was Jan 2019, paper 2P, question 3 and 4.